This video is going to talk about programming the Casio PCR T285. Before we want to talk about programming our register, we want to make sure that we have batteries and receipt tape in. So your batteries are going to go in here. This is where your batteries are. It takes 2 double A's. And the receipt tape, which is 1/4-inch thermal paper, the roll just gets laid in here, but it does need to be feeding up this way, not over the top, coming out from underneath. And then this gadget just gets laid back in here. And we put our cover back on. So make sure that there is paper and batteries before you start programming. All right, so when we're programming this register, we do want it to be in the PGM mode. This is our programming mode. So I'm going to do the example as if I am programming a soft pretzel, which I am just going to label as pretzel. Once you're in the programming mode, you're gonna do 2 subtotal, and that puts you into the mode. That's what program mode 2 is. And then you're going to enter the PLU number associated with the item. In this case, a pretzel is going to be number 21. So 21 PLU. And then if you think back to when we first started texting, we're going to use the number keypad here to enter the letters for the pretzel. So P. Oh, if you have a second letter that's on the same keypad, you have to use this arrow key. R, E, T, Z, E, L, and then to get rid of the numbers at the end, you're going to hit the arrow over key, delete, and when you're finished, you're going to hit enter, followed by clear, and you're ready to do your next item. When you're putting all your items in, you're not going to associate the price with them. All right, so after you've programmed all of the items in, we now need to go back and associate a price with those items. The easiest way I have found is to actually turn the register off, give it a second, and go back to the program mode. That kind of clears it out. It seems that if I try to program the items and then a price, it doesn't always go as planned. So turn it off, turn it back on. So my PLU number was 21 PLU. It tells me that it's a pretzel, and then I'm going to enter the price. I believe a pretzel is $3, followed by my enter key, and then it tells me over on my register tape that I have associated it with $3. So hopefully we find this helpful. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out.